guys, this is Unique Gamer, and today we're gonna be doing the skin thing on Pixelgun. So yeah, first, that flipped. We're gonna be starting with our head. So let's do the front. So we got this pencil, and let's make it like. Let me make my skin that I dream of having. Oh, nope. Have to get white first. Have to get green. Where's green? Okay, right there. There. And I'm just gonna get red. There. I'm gonna get the brush tool and get black. And if I can get that green bucket. Nope. Undo. No. Black. Yep. Brush tool. What? Oh, nope. Undo. No, so it just doesn't. Yeah, so pretty much all you have, you could only fill it out. So yeah. Oh no. You know, I just make it go to green. Nope, not that green. Man, this is really hard. Yep, that green. I just changed it all. Now let's go get black. And there. And yeah, we're done. So what I do? I did that, yeah. Now I'm gonna do top. It's gonna be just gonna make it all black. Yep. I'm just gonna get this. I'm gonna put red. And I'm gonna go back. Go right. Just gonna do it all like that. Like that. Go back. Go all like there. Just put random dots. And go back. And then go back. There. Go back. Now go back. And then, here, just get black again. Yep. And then go back. Go right. Yep. I did not mess up. Yeah. I just leave it like that. Cause this is pretty much really hard to get the right color with this. So yeah, just put all that in. Go back. Now I just have the bottom to do. Yep. Now go back. And there. Yes. Now let's do the front. So let's get some yellow I mean, bright yellow. Yep. Okay, guys. Okay, and then we're gonna do it all the way down. One. Okay, there. Like that, and erase that part. Dang it. Okay, now. Yeah, we're gonna go back and do the right first. Okay, there. Now go back and do the left. And go to the back. And this whole back part, it's just gonna be like that. Like that. You should not erase all that. You can just go in there. There. Just wanna. Hey. Oops. I want this brush too. Nope. There. You can erase those two. And then get your pencil tool. Erase that part. And there. Now go back. Top. See? Just do it like that. You know, here, I got it. Okay, I just got distracted by this stupid guy. I'm not gonna tell you about him. So, yeah, we're going back to doing like that. So yeah. Now we go to the bottom. And then yeah, now I'm just gonna go get black. If I could get it. When I get it, okay, there. Yep. Okay, there. Okay, there. There. Now your eye is gonna be all black. Nope, this is not the color of my skin. To undo. Undo. Oh, come on. Yep. There. Go back your eye. Let's see if the brush is good. Yep. That's pretty good. Back. Okay, there. Now that we got that part, we do that, then that, then that, then that, and then there, and go back, and then top. I'm pretty sure this doesn't do anything because it's gonna be like at the bottom of the shirt, but then the pants gonna be covering that part up. So pretty sure they won't be able to see that. So yeah. And oh my god, I totally forgot I used red on the top, not yellow. Man, it's bad. I'm just gonna paint this all black because just for the fun of it. And then yeah. Yep. Save it. Yahoo. Preview. Yeah. Yep, there. Now that's my skin, guys. Looks pretty cool, but yeah, it's pretty cool, but somehow that looks kind of weird. How the pore's coming off, but yeah. Now the save skin name. Black Mercian. What? Black Mercy. Yep, okay, there. Black Mercy. And there, we got it. Equip. Now we're done, guys. And boom, that's my guy. So, hope you guys like it, and we'll see you